Well, this is not going to be the type of system where we'll be able to make a snowman. Unfortunately, this is more of an ice storm than anything else. And the good news is it's a rather short-lived system. By Sunday, everything should be fine. Really, traveling tomorrow in the morning is very dangerous. I think by the afternoon, even the roads will get better. We'll talk more about that here in a second. Locally, things quiet. We're going to stay quiet here this evening. Come after about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. That's when things could get a little bit hairy for us because of this guy right here. Friends, this is our next weather maker, and it has gotten bigger. It has gotten stronger in just 18 hours, okay? We've got snow at the top, really extending from near Memphis north towards the U.S.-Canada border. On the southern fringe of this, it's a lot of heavy rain. This is now starting to tap into Gulf moisture, bringing it into the system. It's going to head to the north and to the east. Next in line, southwest, central, and south side Virginia. All right, so this starts between about 2:30 and about 4:30 in the morning, depending on where you live, okay? By about 4 a.m., I think the best chance for precipitation will be in areas along and south of Highway 460. But by 6, 7, 8 a.m., precipitation is encompassing the entire region, okay? Notice Danville, South Boston, Charlotte Courthouse, it's all rain. However, in pink, that's that mix. That's that freezing rain and sleet, more freezing rain than anything else. And you see that bluish color? That's where we could see some snow. This is not going to be a type of system where we see a lot of snow out of this. Frankly, the areas that see snow will probably be confined only towards the highlands, okay? All right, so we head, say, towards noon. We continue to see that wintry mix, mainly in areas north of 460 and in areas along and west of the Parkway. Notice the NRV south side by noon tomorrow, it's all rain, all gone by about 4. Okay, so this is gone by mid to late afternoon tomorrow, and then after that we will dry things out. May have a couple of west slope snow showers to contend with late Saturday night into Sunday, but again, Sunday should be a day where we just see increasing amounts of sunshine. Here's what to expect. In pink right here, that's where we're going to see 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch of ice. That is basically for the areas that have that winter storm warning. They're issuing this winter storm warning not because of snow, but because of ice. All right, where you see this light blue color, that's where we could see anywhere from 0 to 1/10 of an inch of ice. As far as snow is concerned, areas in white, this is mainly for the highlands. We could see a coating to 2 inches of snow for this area in light blue. That includes the New River Valley, parts of the Roanoke Valley, up north into perhaps Amherst and Nelson counties. That's where we could see up to 1 inch of snow. That's 0 to 1 inch. There'll be areas in blue that see nothing. There could be areas in blue that see closer to that inch total. Again, snow is not going to be a big precipitation type with this event. If you don't remember anything else I tell you, please remember this. Tomorrow morning is going to be treacherous, all right? Maybe not in south side, but for most of us, the roads are going to be bad tomorrow morning. We're going to be icy and wet midday, but by tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be damp, we're going to be cold, and that means for us, the weather is going to start to maybe improve for us. We've got stormy days ahead. Monday looks pretty quiet. Monday night, though, we're going to be watching another storm system enter. Initially, it could be a mix, especially in the mountains. Further to the east, by Tuesday, this is all just rain, okay? This is mainly a rain event for us coming Monday night into Tuesday, starting as a mix, quickly transitioning to rain, and Tuesday we could see several inches of rain. Could actually have a flood potential towards south side tomorrow, very low threat, but that threat I think goes up, especially across the Gulf Coast on Monday, and for us here on Tuesday. We could see several inches of rain on Tuesday, and that could create some flooded roads and perhaps even some swollen creeks and rivers. 28 right now, Hot Springs, 36 Wytheville, 40 Roanoke, also in South Boston. Tonight, going to have precipitation building after midnight. Overnight lows tonight in the 20s to near 30. For tomorrow, weather alert day, going to have main precipitation type freezing rain. Eventually, we're going to see that changing over to plain old rain. And in that extended forecast, we go from the 30s tomorrow into the 40s Sunday all the way through Friday of next week. Another very, very good chance for rain Tuesday, ending with maybe some mountain snow showers early Wednesday.